Hello, dear Cancerians. A very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general reading for all the Cancerian Sun, Moon, Venus rising. So keep in mind these are general readings, so they might or might not resonate with you, and the roles can be reversed anytime. Okay. So let's start. It's a reading from 1st of July till 10th of July. Okay. Let's start. So Cancerians. I hope I said Cancerians only, right, from the start. Okay. Yeah. So it is a reading for Cancerians. Okay. Let's start. Your partner's current energy right now is the Hanged Man. Right now, I feel like Cancerian, your partner is not doing anything. They are silent and they're stuck. So, first of all, this person is stuck, and second thing, this person is going through some kind of spiritual awakening, some kind of enlightenment thing. Not pure enlightenment, you can say, but there is some kind of spiritual shift that is coming towards in their life. That they are experiencing right now in their life, and this person is stuck on you. This is the situation here. This person is still so much stuck on you. This is their current energy. So let's see, Cancerians. Let's clarify further to see if they're stuck on you or something else. Let's clarify their current energy. The Hanged Man. Let's clarify their current energy. Three of Cups and Four of Wands. The Sun. Okay, right now I feel like this person wants a reconciliation. This person is stuck on you, and they feel like there should be reconciliation. They want to, have a brand new connection with you, a committed connection with you, and you could be dealing with the Leo. And Cancerians, I feel like this person feels like you are their happiness. You really make them happy, and you give them pure joy, pure happiness, kiddish energy, childish energy, and this person feels like yes, you should be with them, and this person is still stuck on this feeling of reconciliation. This is the situation. That's why they're stuck on you. They're definitely stuck on you. Okay, Cancerians, they're definitely stuck on you. Okay, let's see, Cancerians, your current energy. What's your current energy right now? Your current energy right now is, Cancerians, your current energy right now is, let's see, Nine of Swords. Okay, Cancerians, I feel like you are definitely very anxious and stressed, and you're not being able to sleep. You are insomniac, and you are stressing over something very much. Really stressed about something. Might be your work life, might be your relationship life, but there's something that's giving you anxiety and stress. And I feel like this might be the person whomsoever you were connected with. This person is giving you anxiety or stress. Let's clarify. Let's clarify the Nine of Swords in your current energy. But you're definitely, anxious and stressed right now. Ten of Pentacles, the Three of Pentacles, and the Nine of Pentacles. It's all about Pentacles. So, Cancerians, right now you're very stressed about your work life, your finances, your money, and how you're going to deal with your career or your business or your job. Whatever you're doing, you're just stressed about it. You are not able to handle this pressure. You're not able to handle that. You don't have a stable job, or you don't have a stable income, or you are just not independent enough. There's something that is giving you stress, and that's related to your work life, your finances, your money. This is what your current energy is right now, Cancerians. I can understand. Everybody goes through this phase, right? Everybody, goes through this shit. I understand. So let's see what's your partner's what your partner feels for you. Let's see your partner's feelings for you. Let's see your partner's feelings for you. Let's see. Nine of Wands. I feel like Cancerians, your partner is definitely very, what should I say? This person is very passionate about you, and that too physically. I feel like this person is physically very passionate about you, and they want to take some kind of action towards you. They want forward movement in this connection. But right now, I feel like this person is feeling like this is non-committal energy. They are not in the zone of committing to you as of now. I feel like that, but they're very physically attracted towards you, physically passionate about you. Might be you guys had a very beautiful sexual chemistry with each other, but I'll clarify it further. Might be there's something else behind the scenes. Let's clarify. Let's not jump into conclusions that fast. Let's clarify the Knight of Wands, the Tower, the Devil, the Magician. uh, So I feel like they have suddenly realized something. These are three major arcana cards, you can say arcana cards. And the tower, the devil, the magician. The tower and the devil, sorry, the devil and the magician together are telling me that somebody is using some kind of spells, or somebody is using some kind of black magic, or something is that. I feel like this person suddenly realized that they are still very much stuck on you and they can't live without you, and they are using some kind of black magic to get you. They're stuck on you. This person is definitely stuck on you, and this person, the devil and the magician, is telling me that this person is using some kind of black magic to get you back in their life. What kind of person is this that you are dealing with, Cancerians? So for some of you it is black magic, and for some of you I feel like this person is really very stuck on you, and this person is obsessed and possessive about you, not possessed like that. But yes, this person is really obsessed with you, and they have suddenly realized this. This is a sudden realization, and they're manifesting you back. And for some of you, I can definitely feel intuitively as well that this person is using some kind of magical spells or some kind of black magic to get you back in their life. At least they're feeling like that. If they're not doing it, they're feeling like I should do that, to get the Cancerian back in my life. What the fuck? Okay, let's see what this person wants from you, Cancerian. Let's see what this person wants from you. Two of Wands. This person wants to what this person wants from you is to wait. I feel like this person wants you to wait for them, or might be wait for the right time, or might be to take some kind of decision. Might be this person is feeling like you are stuck between two position, or you are stuck between two people, or you are stuck between two decisions. You have to take some kind of decision. This person wants you to take the decision as ASAP. This is the situation. Let's clarify the Two of Wands and what they want from you. The Emperor could be dealing with an Aries, Ace of Swords, and the Two of yes, definitely Two of Cups. Definitely this person wants you to take a decision, and be loyal to them, to stick on your decision, whatever decision you are going to take. And they want you to take this decision, that you want to start this connection all over again with them, and you want to have a soulful connection with them. You want to start a new life with them, brand new life with them. And this person wants you to take a decision that I feel like this person wants you to force yourself to take a decision, that you still love them and they still love you, and there's a soulmate energy present in this connection. This is really complicated. This is really complicated, Cancerians. Uh, let's see what to expect from this person till 10th of July. Let's see what to expect from this person till 10th of July. Eight of Wands in reverse. So I feel like there will be lack of communication. Although this person wants this shit from you, although they are feeling deeply connected to you and deeply passionate about you, there will be lack of communication, or there will be miscommunication coming in towards you from this particular person. This is the Eight of Wands in reverse. So I feel like Eight of Wands in upright position is a good news. There's communication, back and forth communication. You could be traveling, to see this person to another country or city. There's action, there's movement. But when this is in your reverse position, this is in reverse position right now. There's blockage in the communication. There might be miscommunication, or this guy or girl might not be able to travel to see you. So I feel like there's some kind of miscommunication coming in towards you from this particular person's side. This is what you can expect till the 10th of July from this person. Miscommunication. Okay, let's clarify. Okay, Eight of Cups, Eight of Wands again, and the Two of Pentacles. Okay, I feel like this person is trying really hard to walk away from this connection, walk away from the situation that they are in right now. They want to communicate with you. They want to have open and honest communication with you, but they're really conflicted. They're really conflicted. But to say you what to talk to you about, and how to make you understand what they're feeling right now. So that is why might be this person might go really silent with you, or there's some kind of miscommunication coming in with them. So this is the situation here. This is what is happening. This person is really trying they're very hard to digest that you walked away, or they are really trying very hard to to deal with you, to communicate with you, to clear the air with you. but they're really conflicted. What's going to be, the future about this, future of this, all this shit. Okay, whatever. So I hope I am very clear to you, and I'm being very honest to you. I never sugarcoat anything. I'm never going to lie to you, and I'm never going to put any kind of, bullshit on my channel just to make you people come to me again and again. This is the situation here. So Cancerians, thank you so much for tuning in. God bless you. Namaste. I hope this reading will give you the insight that you are seeking for. God bless you. Namaste.